Salut tout le monde! Welcome back. So today we are finally going to the Restoration Hardware rooftop here in New York. I wanted to go for a while now, but I just haven't had a reason. We also haven't been in New York that much, so I'm excited. I wanted to go here. We're going for brunch. So yeah, I think it'll be cute. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film, just that's okay. But yeah, let's go. And we're back. So I got no footage at brunch as you saw, but that's okay. We're going to Bergdorfs now. I've also wanted to show you Bergdorfs. So I feel like it's a very magical New York City type of day. Also the thing is, especially when I'm the brunch is in French. So I don't know if any of you have this issue where you're if it's not your first language, you have to focus extra hard. So that was me all brunch where I have to actively listen when I'm speaking and doing things in French and eating. It's there's a lot going on. Anyways, let's go to Bergdorfs. This looks like something, right? That's all. Sure. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around for the day, kind of just seeing what I was up to. My goal was showing you guys all of these things that I do, whatever city I'm in, whether it's New York, Paris, literally wherever I am. It's just that it inspires something in you. I don't know, you know what I mean? I feel like that's one of the reasons I love going to museums or walking around cities, is because you just never know what's going to inspire you or what's going to spark something. So I hope you like this. I hope it was semi-interesting following me around for just a magical, New York City day. I think I don't know, that's how you have to romanticize your life. I know that's a big trendy topic, but it's true. You have to take time to enjoy the little things, and whether that's just walking around a store or going to brunch, seeing people that you love, I don't know. I hope that makes sense. I feel like I'm rambling, but thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Lavi Rèv, what I do when I'm not, wandering around New York City or anywhere in the world, links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.